Now I will show you how to use the software to send messages to the TD159 pages. After you download the software, you will also see this file as well, the pager message system, and open this one and use this one. Of course, if you didn't install it first, you need to install first. Okay. After you open, you need to choose the port. It's 5, and this is for the operator name and password. Also, there will be the instructions file, so you can check this as well. This is the username and password are admin, so I need to add it first. Okay, I'm gonna say okay. You can see we are in this page now. For the address, it's for the pager ID. The pager ID has the rows. You need to use the 196 and the last 4 numbers. For example, this is the confirm one, and the rest 4 letters for the pager ID, and like the 0999. Now I have a pager with the 55, so I will change it to 0055. This is the address, means the pager number. If you want to send a message, you can write here directly, box 10, and you use this one to send. Of course, make sure the pagers you give to the customer, then they are able to receive the information. Use this one for sending. Okay, I received the message, and you can also see it works here. In addition, for the setting, you can also add the operators here, and this is for the manager password. It's admin, and you can add the operate name and set the password for them, and also you can also delete and modify the information as well. You can also check at the manager and add users. You can add users as well. Here is the information. Each operator, you can add the each pager or more pagers for them. And this is a time call, which you can set the time first, and when it's ready, and the software will send to the pagers directly, and it's very convenient as well. This is for the message you want to send, and this is the pager ID. Like I just said, 196 is the confirmed one, so you need to add the 4 digits that you need for the pager ID. Of course, there is instructions in a word, so you can check the details as well. If you still have any more questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com, and also you can visit this www.retekess.com to contact us. Thank you.